3 years ago, this was a company that we saw enormous potential in, but we needed to change in order to realise that potential. We have delivered on all of the objectives that we set out, and that's because we have fantastic people who have embraced change, people that have experimented, found new ways of doing things, and because of that, the financials have followed.
The really good news, I suppose, is against our targets that we set 2.5 years ago now, we're getting to the point of achieving them 18 months early. We've got revenue growth comfortably into high single digits for the half, and most importantly from my perspective, return on invested capital is now performing very nicely, up another 450 basis points. Transformation will be completely finished in the second half. We committed to spending 7 million of cash this year. I think we will do that, but beyond that it becomes steady state. There's a big difference between transformation and continuous improvement. Transformation was the cultural change required to get us to a level of sustainable continuous improvement, and by the end of this year we'll be there. Order book dipped a little in the first half of this year. That isn't concerning me at all, actually. There's timing behind US Department of War orders that we knew weren't going to come until later this year. The geopolitical uncertainties that we're seeing around the world are at a level that we haven't seen since World War II. That is undoubtedly delivering a latent level of demand, which is not unhelpful. Grant money has started to flow in the US, and in fact we've actually booked a couple of orders just in the last month or so in North America, and excitingly we're starting to see international demand come through.
I've spent a lot of time in that factory over the last 3 months, and I've seen huge improvements, and in the last 2 months it's hit new production records. In fact, last month we produced more helmets there than that business has ever produced in its history, and I'm very confident we've got the culture and leadership we need to take it even further forward. I think continuous improvement has been absolutely fundamental, and our customers now support that improvement journey. They're starting to see the benefits for them, and that means that they are approving the changes to our manufacturing processes faster and faster, and that is compounding the gains that we're seeing. I'm confident that we can grow faster than the market because I think we're very fast at developing new products. We have more agility than our competitors, we're more focused than our competitors, and we have an excellent understanding of what our customers really want, and we translate that into new products very fast, and we launch them into the market with more and more speed. This is a business that's now generating good cash flow. We are increasingly investing that into new product development, and now that we're hitting our stride in the factory as well, we're swinging some more engineering resource from manufacturing engineering to new product development, and as a result we are speeding up the development cycle on new products. In Team Wendy we've launched a new Recon helmet which is aimed at the search and rescue market, and we're launching our new endurance helmet. That helmet, we've already got a Middle Eastern country that's ordered it, even though we haven't yet formally launched the helmet. And in Avon Protection, we're also about to launch the new MITRE goggle, also a riot filter onto our MITRE system.
We've now booked our first order of size for MITRE, which is tremendously exciting. We're seeing very good, robust levels of demand for Rifle Tech, our new high-end rifle-rated commercial helmet.
And in suits, we're seeing lots of interest from the Department of War and also from other militaries across Europe. This is a business that we believe has lots of potential to grow organically. We don't need to buy anything. The business delivers very well for its customers as it is, and we have all the tools we need to drive growth. However, we do have a strong balance sheet. We do have a business improvement system that we believe can be used to improve any business. If we found the right opportunity, then we would definitely be interested in improving other businesses if we can generate shareholder value that way. Team Wendy is now achieving all of the targets that we originally set, and now we've set even higher targets, and I'm confident it will hit those over the next few months.
I am now very confident in delivering a second half that's extremely robust. We're very confident in the growth in Avon Protection. Our challenge for the second half is to sustain them. I think we're in great shape.